Today we're going to start our 10-minute story. I hope you have your colored markers ready. Today's story is going to start with our character. We're then going to share what the character wants. We're going to put an obstacle in the character's way. We're going to show how the character overcomes the obstacle, and then we're going to wrap it all up. We're going to start with a blank piece of white paper. We're going to fill up that paper with colors and make the blank page beautiful, and we're going to do it all in just 10 minutes. Let's grab your template. I'm going to write, and I would love to have you write along with me. Let's get that story started. Hi, my name is Valerie, and I was out shopping with my friend McKay when I spotted the bag. It wasn't just any bag. It was the bag that the psychic had told me I was supposed to find. Now, I'd been looking for this bag for some time, and Michaela was a little bit frustrated from me running up to people and asking to see their bag. But this time I was sure. It was that type of deep in your gut, you know this is the one kind of sure. The bag was quite unusual, which made the fact that I'd spotted one like it very interesting. This one, the bag, it had a pink octopus on it. And on one side, there was a very small tear. The tear was on the side with a picture of the mermaid. I ran up to the woman. Ma'am. She turned to me. Yes? I think you have my bag. She glanced at me. Who are you? I'm Valerie, I said. She glanced at me again. And then, much to my shock, instead of shooing me away or running away from me like one other person had, she shrugged her shoulders and she handed me me the bag. She told me I'd know when to give it to you. Before I could ask her any more questions, she disappeared into the crowd. OMG, said Michaela McKay. What is it? What's so special about the bag? What's going on? I looked at the bag. It was like it had attached itself to my shoulder. I tried to tug it off. But indeed, it seemed like it was truly not only my bag, but now part of my body. I said, I'm not sure, but I think it's gotten attached. It's just a bag, said Michaela. And she tried to pull it off, but she couldn't. Let's go home. We decided we needed to investigate this mysterious bag, and we couldn't do much standing in the middle of the mall. Once home, I found that my arm was almost completely useless on the right side. So McKay took over typing notes while I examined the bag from my other side. It looked like a simple tote bag. It was empty on the inside and only adorned with the octopus on the outside. But still attached to me. I wonder what we should do. Should we try to cut it off? Asked Michaela. The bag shuddered, and I immediately yelped, "No!" It doesn't seem to like that idea. What are you going to do? I guess sleep on it? I said, literally? What are my choices? Michaela called the psychic's number, but no response. We can go back in the morning, she said. Maybe she can help clear things up. That night, I had a dream that I was floating in the ocean. Like I've been turned into a giant octopus. But instead of a octopus bag, I had a bag with a picture of a girl on it. A girl who looked like me. And that's the end of my story drafting for today. If you are in a good group with your story, I hope you'll keep on writing. If you enjoyed this writing template today, if you got out your markers and used your tilt template, I hope you'll let me know which direction you took with this story. You can leave a comment in the comment section below. Please subscribe to Write with Rachel for more ways to get your story started. Remember, at Start Your Story with Rachel, we believe in taking the blank page, filling it with color, and making it beautiful. Thank you for being here with me today.